Welcome to the personal property tour for Woodlands, Cupar Road in Kennoway. This is a wonderful detached 3-bedroom cottage on a substantial plot. Wait to see the garden. You've got lovely countryside views across the park as well. It's in a great location. All the details about the property are in the post. If you click on the link, you'll get the property information and of course the all important price point. This is a wonderful home, one level living, and actually you have attic rooms potential there as well to create additional living space. And let me just take you on the tour. And these are the views. Isn't that lovely? This is the property here. So the property starts here, runs all the way along down to the bottom. You've got these beautiful stone walls, lovely borders here as well. So much nice colour already. But actually, look at the benefit of the garden. Just such a lovely garden. So you've got this walled garden, which is just so much space, and it looks out onto the parkland as well. It really is in a great location. Let's head on in. So we come into the property. You can enter the property here, but also from the hallway. We're going to start with the bedrooms. So we're going to head into the hallway, which is a lovely bright space, isn't it? You've got this nice seating arrangement here, but we're going to start at the bottom. It really is a great space. And then we're going to start with bedroom number 1, which is just in here. Lovely sized double room. You've got ample space for freestanding. You've got a nice seating area here. You've got all this cabinetry as well. But look how deep the windows are. And look at the lovely views. Very peaceful, isn't it? But great sized double room. Lots of space, as you can see. And that is bedroom number 1. We then come out into the hallway. So this staircase actually takes you up to the double attic rooms, which stretch the full length of the property. So much potential there that you could be exploring as well. You also have a laundry cupboard here. You've also got a door there as well. That was where I was standing at the beginning. So there's 2 ways of entering. And then straight ahead, we've got the shower room. Great space. Nice and open. Again, just look how deep the windows are. So you've got your WC, your wash hand basin, you've got your electric shower as well, but plenty of room in here. You could easily put a bath back in here. It's a really nice sized room. And that's your shower room. Come back out into the hallway, which is nice and spacious. And then we're going to head into bedroom number 2. So bedroom number 2 is in here. Again, just how deep the windows are. Currently utilised as an arts and craft room, as you can see. You've got your wardrobe storage here as well. If I come along here, you can see this is freestanding and that's as wide as a bed, and there's plenty of space in here. Really is a lovely sized room. And benefits from that lovely parkland and garden view as well. So peaceful. That's bedroom number 2. But then come into the hallway, and even just this area is nice and open, isn't it? I love the fact that you've got this storage unit here as well, nice wee seating arrangement. And then you come into bedroom number 3. So again, plenty of space for a double bed, whether you have it that way or this way. You've got wardrobes here. It benefits from lovely garden views, as you can see. But really nice sized room, and still space for freestanding as well. 3 generous sized rooms, but I love this hallway seating arrangement as well. Really nice and open. We then come back out into the open plan lounge dining kitchen space. So we head into the kitchen. So you've got your integrated appliances. So you've got your double ovens. You've also got your hob and your extractor. Plenty of cabinetry, and I love that this is open. So if you're entertaining with your family, this is a great space. It's a good size, isn't it? And the benefit of having it all open plan as well for me. If you come out here, you can see the dining space. Nice sized table. You've also got dressing table here as well. So plenty of space for storage. The beam too. Really nice and quaint, isn't it? And then you come into the lounge living space. Just such a lovely room. It's nice and open. Plenty of space. It's a good social hub for the family, isn't it? In fact, you've got that sideboard, the dining table. You've got your sofas in this area as well. If I come across here, you can see just how much space you have from this angle as well. Now you can come in here, as I did earlier. There's also a door further down the building, and then you've got these double patio doors that take you into the garden. So let's head on there. But garden. Such a lovely space. It's a really good sized plot, isn't it? Very secure garden as well. So you've got your gate here as well at the side of the property. You've got all this patio area. You've got a really large patio set area here as well. And you've got plenty of storage there. I love the fact that it's a walled garden. You've got all of this beautiful space. And it overlooks the parkland. It's so quiet. It really is lovely. Very secure as well. You've got gates here too. So if the children or the dogs are playing down here, you've got planting area here. You've got another planting area there. Rhupab's already sprouting. Look at that. Shows you how mild it's been. Then we come down here and you can just see how enclosed the garden is when you come down to this level. It's beautiful, isn't it? You've got all of this area as well for planting. You've got this fabulous workshop at the bottom as well. So if you're running your own business, home office area, there's so much you could do with that. Lots of potential. I love the walled aspects of the garden as well. Let's head down to the bottom. You can just see all the blooms and the daffodils coming up now as well. The cherry blossom. The monkey trees just starting to sprout as well, which is lovely, isn't it? But this workshop, what a great space, isn't it? But the garden area, when I come down here, I just love all the stone. You can see the church steeple over there as well, but look at the house. It stands quite proud up there, doesn't it? It's just such a lovely space. So peaceful, very tranquil, lovely garden. It's a great house, isn't it? And the patio areas as well. Now the sun is coming up and it's coming around, so you're pretty much getting the sun most of the day in the garden as well. And you've got all these windbreakers too, so on a sunny day, it's a bit of a sun trap here. So just to recap for you, this is a personal property tour for Woodlands, Cupar Road in Kennoway. As you've seen, it's a 3-bedroom detached cottage. It really is on a substantial plot. You've got so much space outside. You've got this beautiful walled garden, so much potential internally as well, because you've got those 2 attic rooms that stretch the full length of the property. So lots for you to explore there. You've got the workshop here as well. So again, if you're running your own business, maybe you're needing a home office area, you just want somewhere to potter, that's a brilliant additional space. You've got this gorgeous walled garden as well. It's in a great location. Literally, you come out of the property, turn right, you go up the hill, you're at Bonnybank. You've got the Mexican up there, but you've also got the Pilgrim Way walk up there as well, which is beautiful. It takes you up to the reservoir. It's a really stunning walk. Likewise, come out of the property, turn left, you go down the hill, you're coming right into where all the local amenities are at Kennoway Shopping Centre. On top of that, you've got the Kennoway Primary School. You also have the Kennoway Den, which is wonderful. It's a great woodland walk. Lovely to do that with your family and the dog on a weekend. All the details about the property are in the link above. If you click on that, you'll get all the important information about the property and the all-important price point, of course. But location-wise, it is fabulous. I've mentioned some of the key elements locally that you benefit from. But actually, on top of that, you're about a 9-minute drive to Leven. You've got the train station there that's giving you those direct links to Edinburgh City Centre. You've got that beautiful beach. You've got the promenade. You've got the high street. And you've got that lovely Fife Coastal Path as well. So if you're into walking, running, cycling, there's so much to do there. On top of that, you've also got golf courses in abundance, so lots to choose from. It really is in a great location, and it's such a beautiful garden, isn't it? If you think this one's of interest to you, you can message me here directly. Likewise, you can reach out to the team on 01333 421 774, and it's Perry at Fife Properties TV. Take care. Bye bye.